Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Mark McClernan. I'm one of the geodesists here at the Astrogeology Science Center. Um, I'm happy to introduce a new mapping system used for ground navigation. So when you think about lunar operations or, operating on the surface, do science, how do you know where you are and how do you know where you're going? And so what we've been asked to design is a grid system for navigation. So we're referring to this as the Lunar Grid Reference System. It's very similar to the military grid reference system. It's supported by a lunar transverse Mercator and lunar polar stereographic system. Even though it is similar to what's available to navigate here on Earth, it does differ. There's been a few unique asks of this system. The first is the grid size. So it uses a 25-kilometer grid zone for navigating. And then next slide. The second ask was to provide a way to provide the astronauts a condensed format for communicating their position. So limited characters, so 6 characters report a 10 square meter area. So an example of these coordinates are shown here on the left. Basically, the idea is you only report the last 6 characters. So you kind of know where you've landed, and then once you know that, you kind of use these 6 characters to navigate around. The maps here on the right show the Apollo 17 landing site, and you just kind of follow them through. You go from a global area down to the 25-kilometer grid square where you can kind of see those Apollo 17 traverse lines come through. And then that center plot there is you can see those traverse lines really well at the 1 kilometer grid level. Then after that, you just follow it through the 100-meter grid and then down to the 10-meter grid. And you can kind of see how this, you know, this coordinate scheme can be used. So this is still an in-progress work.
1 minute.
We're drafting the paper right now, but if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.